peeps? We are back at Busch Gardens Williamsburg, and yes, it's still Christmas Town here, but we're already moving past Christmas Town. Christmas is great and all, but what we want to talk to you about today is what's coming next year in 2026 to Busch Gardens Williamsburg. They have announced events, new shows, an updated revamped ride, and we're going to tell you all about it in today's guide to Busch Gardens Williamsburg in 2026. And since we've just entered the park, feels like a good time to say that Christmas Town actually continues into 2026, going on select dates until January 4th. Now, then Busch Gardens Williamsburg will be closed for a few weeks. It'll be closed after January 4th, and then it will reopen later in January. On January 30th, Busch Gardens will be open Fridays through Sundays plus President's Day for its Mardi Gras celebration, where you can let the good times roll with food, cocktails, and entertainment and live music, Mardi Gras style. Now, it may say Christmas in Killarney, but in March, here in Killarney will be the prime location for the St. Patrick's Day celebration. Select dates plus St. Patrick's Day, March 12th through 17th. You can celebrate Irish spirit, luck, and celebration filling here in Killarney Village. Now, it's a very short event, but they do a lot of fun stuff here in Killarney Village. Definitely worth the visit early in the season. We are in Sesame Street Forest of Fun to talk about the next event coming to Busch Gardens in 2026, Kids Weekends, Saturday and Sunday, March 21st through April 19th, where each weekend will bring a new adventure with special appearances in the Globe Theater. They've had Sesame Street characters in the past. They've had, other cartoon characters doing meet and greets in the Globe Theater. Right here behind Castle O'Sullivan is actually the location of one of our favorite booths for Busch Gardens Food and Wine Festival. Hawaii is usually tucked back here and has some great Hawaiian-inspired dishes, but Food and Wine Festival does return in 2026. Food and Wine Festival will run Thursday through Sunday, April 23rd through June 21st, so it's a long one this year. Flavors are in bloom at the Food and Wine Festival, featuring internationally inspired tastes and sips to savor. Okay, so as we enter France, we're going to talk about two major things happening this coming summer at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Summer of Wonder, Busch Gardens summer seasonal event, kicks off June 26th and runs daily until July 30th, where you can explore a summer full of wonder and immerse yourself in the thrills of art, music, culinary delights, and world-class fun. They'll have specialty food beverages, they'll have someone yelling behind me, they'll have specialty cocktails, and they'll have concerts right here at this theater behind me. And speaking of the theater behind me, that is the place where the second new show of 2026 will be debuting this summer, Kinetix, A New Generation, which is a new major nighttime spectacular show that'll premiere next summer. Here in the Globe Theater, next summer is one of Busch Gardens' new shows across the pond, Legends of the UK, which sounds kind of like a British music show, maybe some of the British invasion rock and stuff like that, and that'll be here in the Globe Theater next summer. I am in front of Trapper's Smokehouse, which is a place where you can get some great smokehouse barbecue style dishes, to talk about the next event coming to Busch Gardens next year, which is Beerfest, Brews, and BBQ. Now, Beerfest, Brews, and BBQ runs Friday through Sunday plus Labor Day, July 31st through September 7th. You can sip and savor seasonal brew offerings and new beer-inspired recipes at Beerfest, Brews, and BBQ. So that used to just be Beerfest. They incorporated barbecue as well, and it actually makes the event better. So you can get some cool, smokehouse flavored dishes, some good seasonal beers, and it is the last event before our favorite event of the year, which is Howl-O-Scream, which feels like, even though it's a Christmas, you can see a Christmas tree behind me. Yes, we are already looking forward to 2026 Howl-O-Scream, and we're talking about it here in Oktoberfest because there are multiple houses here. There's a great show here. Howl-O-Scream was really good this year, and looking forward to it already next year to see what changes they brought to it. Now, Howl-O-Scream will operate select nights September 11th through November 1st, where you can take on all the terrifying haunts and thrills as the sun goes down. Howl-O-Scream, #1 event of the year for us. Already looking forward to 2026. check this out. They actually have banners out for the next item that we are going to talk about. Verbolten Forbidden Turn is also coming in 2026. They have not yet announced an opening date. Probably May, but hard to say. It will close down after Christmas Town this year. It's actually closed tonight because it's already 40 degrees and it doesn't run when it's that cold. But it will be open next year, featuring revamped storylines. The travel agency will be under new management. There will be new effects and experiences within the ride. Really looking forward to Verbolten Forbidden Turn. We actually did a little video about it that I'll link at the end of this video. Check that out. And you know we will be covering updates on Verbolten Forbidden Turn as it comes up. You know, as news comes up, we'll be sharing it with you. So make sure that you're subscribed if you want all that Verbolten Forbidden Turn news and, the opening coverage. And back in Sesame Street Forest of Fun for one more event, Halloween Spooktacular, which runs most days that Howl-O-Scream runs, Saturday and Sunday, September 19th through November 1st, where you can celebrate Halloween with your favorite Sesame Street friends with trick-or-treating and more. All right, we are going to take a quick break from all the 2026 Busch Gardens announcements to talk about a special announcement for our channel, which is that we are changing our name. Starting with this video, we are officially Destination Geek. Now, you can still get to us from the same link. We are still a part of the IOM Geek network. So obviously, if you check out our podcast and all that other stuff, we're still part of the same network. But we thought Destination Geek would be a better name, something a little bit more recognizable, a little bit easier to say than IOM Geek. So we're going to have all new stickers, all new logos, and all that stuff coming in the coming year. But as of this video, we are officially Destination Geek. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think of the new name. And, we dig it. Hopefully you do too. And that brings us right back around to Christmas Town, which is how we wrap up our 2026 season. Christmas Town will operate select dates November 13th through January 3rd, 2027. And just like you've seen in the background of this video, you can celebrate Christmas with millions of lights, holiday-themed experiences, food, cocktails, all sorts of great stuff. Christmas Town, always a feel-good way to wrap up the Busch Gardens season for the year. And that also wraps it up for this video. We hope you liked this look at 2026 Busch Gardens events and experiences. Really, for us, obviously, looking forward to Verbolten, Forbidden Turn, Howl-O-Scream, and all the great events. Hopefully, we will see you there. But in the meantime, if you liked this video, give us a thumbs up on it. It really helps us out to know that you like this type of content. Hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you are notified when we release our Busch Gardens content for 2026. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the new year.